The Supreme Court of Pakistan in a case held that a witness who changes his stance cannot be considered as truthful witness and his testimony should not be relied upon full stop. Further statement of a resigning witness may be ignored by a resigning complainant uproots the prosecution case in its entirety because initiation of criminal prosecution is triggered by him and barring in some category of offences, when complaining person does not support formalization of such initiation, no question appears to produce further evidence, full stop. In an adversarial system, there are two parties in contest, prosecution and defense. Thus, there are two stances, and for resolution of issue, court requires a third stance, a witness, full stop. Of course, there is a difference between resigning of complainant and resigning of a witness, full stop. In former case, no probability of conviction remains there, and then therefore dragging the matter for conducting whole trial would be an abuse of process. But in later case, situation remains open to get a support to the testimony of the complainant through other forms of evidence, full stop. New paragraph. However, in former case, there is an exception that if video evidence of the occurrence is available and some witnesses also support the occurrence, then resigning of complainant shall not matter at early stage and trial must go on, full stop, because entire process of procuring the DNA evidence is controlled by human agencies, investigating officers and forensic scientists. There is ample chance of manipulation, tampering of such evidence by corrupt officers or scientists, which needless to say highly prejudices the accused persons, full stop. Even preservative methods adopted are not properly brought on record, full stop. It is highly unsafe to rely upon the sole DNA test to convict the person on the basis of said test, full stop. There must be a unique balance between scientific evidence and human evidence, full stop. New paragraph. Therefore, existing value-based criminal justice system cannot be done away with, and as such a susceptible balance has to be struck between modern system based on scientific and technological knowledge and our existing value-based system, full stop. It has further been observed that constitutional guarantee against self-incrimination as per Article 13 of the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan 1973 also stands as safeguard against the DNA evidence, full stop. However, through statutory law, it is permitted to conduct DNA sampling of an accused who is under the charge of rape as mentioned in section 53A of CRPC, full stop. Such DNA evidence can only be used in conjunction with other substantive evidence to record the conviction against the accused. Otherwise, conviction solely on the basis of DNA evidence would be unconstitutional, full stop.